привет! Вы на канале Таша и Ярик, и сегодня я буду лепить черного слендитуббика и Слендитуббис 3. Имени его я не знаю, поэтому пишите в комментариях, как он называется. Ну а это наш пластилинчик, темно-серый, черный, белый и красный. Поехали!
Pretty demons never show, shifting shapes in millenniums, but you're okay. I don't have the pieces of your home, buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares have gone cold. Now we go way, way back, as far as way back goes. Standing by your side, you know I'll be right here when all the monsters come. Oh, I've got you. I've got you. You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. We got this. On a higher level. On a higher level. We got I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, real free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games though? There's no denying what we want. Just watch me break it.
When the lights out.
Remember when you said we'd stay together now until forever? Just us. Said we wouldn't be like all the others, fight and hurt each other. Not us. But we let each other down, yeah. Yeah, we let each other down, yeah. But we let each other down, yeah. Yeah, we let each other down, yeah. us, not us, not us. But we let each other down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down. But we let each other down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down.
Такой вот слендитубик у меня получился. Это New Born из 7-й волны. А какое имя точно, я не знаю. Ребята, если кто знает, пишите в комментариях. Он у нас сгоревший, такие интересные у него полосы по телу, такие как остаются у сгоревшего дерева. На приветы в этом видео хочу передать каналам Brawl Stars Master, Play Fox, Gamer 2019 Топ, Топ-Топчик Егоров, Квант Факт и Клейтон. Ребята, вам всем огромный привет! Ну а если вам понравилась эта фигурка, это видео, ставьте лайки и подписывайтесь на канал Таша и Ярик. Не забывайте нажимать на колокольчик, чтобы не пропустить мои новые видео. И с вами была Таша. Всем пока-пока!